it's cold. We're driving the car. We're driving the car about 600 miles, and it's kind of scary because this is the first trip that we've done with the car. Let me show you the car real quick. I'm actually gonna check it out real quick. And the thing that makes it scary is that we just put a turbo on it, so everything looks fine. It's a 12-hour trip, round trip. So I came prepared and make sure I brought everything with me just in case the car does decide to not be fun. Alright, we're like halfway there now. Car's doing good so far. Gonna continue on the road. The other thing that I'm noticing is actually the gas mileage is actually really good right now. Like compared to, I mean, of course I've been on E for like a little bit. And right now I'm on full 91. And it's been about 2.5, almost 3 hours. And we're at only down a quarter tank. That's pretty good. I'm very surprised. I've been trying to drive behind trucks and like other cars and stuff so I can be in their slipstream. And I feel like it's been working. Alright guys, check out these nice greenery out. Alright, where's this tree? This seems like, you know what this seems like to me? It feels like I'm in like a Disneyland like ride, but like you're driving your own car. Like they got like a little track going on for you too here. Alright, not sure if I'm supposed to stop here, but I'm gonna stop here real quick just so we can do this. Yo, it looks so cool. How big those trees are. Alright, the funny thing is though, this road is like, just right here, because you can see those oh man, oh boy. See, I'm telling you, we're on like a lot. Oh, how much do we get around that? Oh, I can get around that. Okay, never mind. Man, off-roading this car. Guys, this is really cool. Look at that. Oh, the sun's hitting it like pretty bad from that angle. Right there, boom, it's like glistening. The sun's glistening. So on the way up on every time, this is like about an hour away from Eureka. We always stop at this one gas station to get this one particular turkey, and that's what we're doing right now. So. Dry, original dry. I should do it. Oh shit! Fuck. Look at me. There it is, guys. This is a dry jerky. Now let's get this. We've made it, you guys, to Eureka, California. As you guys can see, ocean there. There's the car. How was that drive for you? That tree was fun? I think it was fun. We actually picked up this little girl. So, on the street. On the street. Oh, sneeze. Anyways, yep, that's gonna be it for this video. Tune in for the next video. Peace out, guys. See ya.